Before you close your eyes, I want you to ask yourself something honestly. What if the heaviness you've been feeling isn't yours? What if the tension in your chest, the sudden bad luck, the unexplained fatigue has been picked up from others? Stay with me. Give yourself these next few minutes, because tonight you're going to release it, all of it. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Again, deep breath in and out. Allow your shoulders to drop. Let your jaw unclench. Now bring your awareness to the center of your chest. Imagine a soft, glowing light forming there. Warm, protective, and pure. This light is your energy, untouched, unaltered, completely yours. Now, imagine this light beginning to expand. It slowly spreads through your chest, your shoulders, down your arms, into your stomach, your back, and your hips. Down through your legs and all the way to your feet. You are now surrounded in a full body glow. Now, bring your awareness to any heaviness, any discomfort, and negativity you've been carrying. Don't overthink it. Just feel it. See it as dark energy, like smoke or shadows attached to your body. This is not you. This has never been you. Now, watch as your light begins to push it away. Gently at first, then stronger. The light clears your energy, lifting, dissolving, removing. Anything with jealousy, anything sent with ill intention, anything picked up unknowingly is leaving you. Feel a calm, healing energy flowing into you now, like a gentle current, restoring, balancing, protecting. Your energy field is being repaired, strengthened, and sealed. Nothing meant for you can harm you. Nothing negative can stay. Now, imagine a shield forming around you, a soft golden barrier. It allows love in, but blocks all negativity. You are protected. You are grounded. You are safe. Silently repeat after me. I release all energy that is not mine. I am protected from all negative intention. My energy is clear. My energy is strong. I am safe. Take a deep breath in and slowly out. And gently bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this feeling with you. You've just cleared what was never yours to hold. Thank you for being here with me today.